here today at our Stewarts Creek Tributaries Project. It's very cold this morning. It's thawed out nicely today. Just checking on things before we get into our next monitoring season. We're in the dead part of the year, so things are brown. Tend to be kind of wet too, but we're going to look around and see what we can find. So we'll hop the fence here and we'll take a look. Oh, geez. So one thing I'm noticing pretty quickly is that, at least in this tributary, we've got some iron bacteria causing that orangish color to the stream bed. That usually is indication of some high iron groundwater that's being discharged into the stream. Not that unusual to see it for the first year or two in a restoration project. When a channel's been realigned to a different location, sometimes it will pick up that groundwater that's high in iron, and then the system kind of has to equilibrate over the next couple years or so. So we usually see this go away over time. Not a water quality concern or anything like that. It's just not very aesthetic. This is one of our other tributaries on the project. We can see here we don't have that orange staining from the heavy iron water that we saw in the other tributary. So interesting, just seems to be a groundwater effect over there on that one tributary. Like I said, that should all flush through within another year or two. So what I'm seeing is that even though we're in January, kind of the middle of winter here, we've got some greenery coming in on the banks that's going to really explode come springtime, along with the floodplain vegetation, and really should help stabilize everything. And looks like it's made it through the winter in pretty good shape. We've had a heck of a winter with many big flow events, numerous flows that got out of bank on this project, but overall it seems like things are holding together well. So we've even got some little wetland areas that are forming out here on our stream floodplain. So always like to see these little places popping up. Good habitat for amphibians, and just adds to the overall biodiversity of the restoration work. We got some wildlife that's using the site. Looks like maybe turkey track, possibly. Not a wildlife expert. Definitely deer. Probably a dog. Ooh, engineer. Those are the ones you have to watch out for. So that's a quick view of our Stewarts Creek Tributaries project. Pretty early in the process here. We're not even 1 year after construction. Getting ready to go into a new growing season this summer, so we'll have a lot more green photos and videos to show. And we'll be continuing to monitor it for a number of years to see how it does, so stay tuned.